How do you get to make your client pay you in full? Is there a strategy, a filtration process, or maybe a script on how to make it happen? This is also a question I almost always get asked, and it probably is something that you're also trying to figure out yourself. Hey there, Cassie here, your online growth business mentor. It's Mindset Monday once again, where we get to talk about anything and everything about work-life integration and the mindset you need to accelerate your growth, progress, and income. Okay, so there is no rocket science nor a script that will make your clients pay you in full. However, within the conversation, it's all about gauging and asking in full honesty if they're capable. It's by asking the right questions and also knowing if they're in the position to actually pay you in full than the monthly staggered payments. Remember, in every conversation you get into is already a preview on how you are as a coach, consultant, or as a mentor. If within the conversation you get to learn that they are actually in the position to pay you in full but is a little hesitant or resisting, there's some sort of scarcity still running through their thoughts, thinking, okay, I'm all in, but I'd rather do monthly because I'm not sure if I can accelerate my income or collapse the time as fast as I can. You see what's happening in there? What I believe to be true is that those who are in the position to pay in full and go all in are those who make things happen no matter how uncomfortable and difficult it may be. They log in the hours, they make sure they get to do the work, they prioritize their commitment a notch higher because they have fully embodied the success they see in the present tense. Now, I'm not saying those with staggered payments won't make as much commitment or as committed, but it's really telling on how scarcity still runs through their veins, albeit they're already on the road towards expansion. Remember, we're talking about those who are already capable to actually pay you in full. As much as I love the fact that they're enrolling and choosing the monthly installment, I always ask, why would you pay me more if you can already pay in full for less? And by asking this powerful question, it makes them think more of speed rather than the cost. Having them understand that their commitment is the conviction they pour into their endeavor, they get to perform better as well. And this is also based on experience and the way they invest, or the way that I also invest in my own personal growth too. I hope that this helps you as you enroll or onboard your next high-ticket client. Alrighty, so your private training on how you'll be able to turn your network into high-ticket clients for your course, consultancy, or your coaching program is now ready to have you inside. If you're serious on having your first or your next 3 to 5 high-ticket clients and collapse the time with your multiple 6 or 7-figure income, you better grab your seat while it's there. Click on the link above this video or through the show notes. I truly believe that money should be in the hands of women through entrepreneurship. My name is Cassie Pajarillo Braganza, your online growth business coach for consultants, coaches, content creators, or service-driven entrepreneurs. Together, let's build a better business and build our economy that's clear, transformative, progressive, and profitable. We'll see you on to the next one.